Hello everyone, I'm Nachyar and I'm doing my bachelor's at Rajalakshmi Institute of Technology and I'm here to represent my team, PHEME. As a team, we were looking into the various problem statements, and as we looked into the various problem statements, we found out a critical problem faced by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Now, this problem statement states us to build a 360-degree software solution for the issue faced by the PIB officers of the Press Information Bureau offices. To understand more about this problem statement, we need to understand that our government has various departments and ministries for health, education, etc. and a lot. Now, under each of these ministries, we have a separate PIB officer who acts as an aggregate between the news and the media. Whenever a ministry wants to initiate a new policy, it is the responsibility of the PIB officer to ensure the effectiveness of the policy when it comes to the public. As we delve deeper into this, we found out a lot of research and articles that shows that the public opinion strongly affects the government policies. And as a large nation, we need to know that understanding these negative feedback of the government policies and initiatives from the public would help to frame better, efficient policies.
As we found out the tight friction between the public and the PIB officers, we have come up with a possible solution for this problem statement by developing a 360-degree system software that alerts the concerned PIB officers about the negative news that is spreading everywhere. So let's have a quick walkthrough of our software. It begins by collecting the news from various e-newspaper articles and certified YouTube channels of all regional languages. Then it classifies the negative news according to different departments such as healthcare, education, sports, etc. After that, it translates the regional languages into 3 primary languages such as English, Hindi and Urdu. Finally, this negative feedback will be sent to the concerned PIB officers in the form of an email notification and an SMS with the name of the article and the date of the news.
Finally, when it comes to the working part, we built a prototype to have a better understanding about our proposed solution. Firstly, this is the front page of our software where we have the basic information about the software, and we have a button which is upload and analyze, which normally builds up the backend for analyzing various articles. So basically we have a collection of numerous articles and their YouTube channels where we have stored in a directory or a database, and at the back end, using the web scraping, we used to download the articles in a PDF form. And when it comes to the PDF form, obviously we know that these articles are going to be in the PNG format, so that we do use the OCR, and this is going to be the helpful filament for the analyzing and also scrapping out the PNG texts. And finally, we will be doing a sentiment analysis to understand whether the news is on the positive side, negative or neutral side. So after analyzing that, we will be analyzing the news into the department categories, whether if it does comes under the Ministry of Health department or Ministry of Transport department, etc. And after dividing into the departments and also the sentiment analyzer news, we do have that news into a category of distribution where it will be stored automatically, and we have the contacts of PIB officers, their mails and their phone numbers. For this prototype, we just use our own mail and phone number to just ensure whether this model does works or not. And finally, it does gives a good results of sending the messages using the TULO and SMTP lib for the email notification. And after that, we are just trying to grab up the PIB officers information into a pile. Here comes the note of our future work, which is gonna be to send out the notification to regional PIB officers. So as we just recently ran this program, we can just easily see that this is obviously from the healthcare department side, and this news is gonna be sent to that department PIB officer. And by this thing, it has been charged over to send the email and SMS notification to them. So to just view this, whether the message has been sent to the department or not, we can able to see that easily on the dashboard of recently added one, where we can just see the recently added news of Ministry of Transport, or the news has been sent to the healthcare department and things like that. And we can also see whether the news is positive, negative, and we can also check out the status whether the SMS has just been sent or not. But what if I do need to analyze the data even more? So you can easily find out that thing over the analysis page, where I can just find out the various departments, and also I can just find out how many people has been found out in a situation of negative news feedback or neutral, or if it's about a positive. I can just easily read out through the charts. So just like that, I can just see about the different ministries. Here we have the Ministry of Sport, we have the Ministry of Defense, where easily I can find it out like how many positive and negative. But here we do have 50%, so that we could really understand that this ministry is gonna make up to the 50%. It is so important for the PIB officer to figure it out, like how many negative news feedback has just been occurred. And for now we do have the collection of PIB officers, the main people, and when it comes to the future process, we do have the PIB officers for the different regions. So that's gonna be our future work. It's gonna be the complex one, but we are really into it, so that we have achieved the level 1. So when it comes to the level 2, it's gonna be so much exciting to do it. And for the people who are all watching this video till this end, we are so much thankful for your kind attention, and we are just gonna build this project to the next level as we just promised in this video. So for this opportunity from the team PHEME, we just thank you so much.